There's no short way to put this, but we need to talk about national defense. Most people think about soldiers, ships, or aircraft, but there's something just as important that often gets ignored. Where our military technology is actually made. In a world shaped by cyber warfare, supply chain disruptions, and rising global tensions, relying on foreign countries to manufacture high-tech military equipment is a serious risk. If a crisis breaks out, access to those parts, systems, and materials can disappear overnight. When advanced military technology is built in the United States, we control the process from start to finish. That means tighter security, better oversight, and faster response times. There's less risk of tampering, hidden vulnerabilities, or stolen intellectual property. Now imagine relying on overseas factories, some located in countries that don't share our interests or values. That creates strategic pressure points. If shipping lanes are disrupted or diplomatic relations sour, our readiness suffers. Domestic manufacturing also protects innovation. High-tech defense systems rely on cutting-edge research. When production happens, at home, engineers, scientists, and manufacturers collaborate more closely. That speeds up improvements and keeps sensitive knowledge out of hostile hands. There's also there is also an economic side to this. Building military technology in the U.S. creates a high-skilled job, strengthens local industries, and supports long-term economic stability. These aren't temporary positions, they're careers that sustain communities and advance technological expertise. Some argue that overseas manufacturing is cheaper, but lower upfront cost doesn't mean lower long-term cost. Delay, security breaches, or forced redesigns can end up costing far more than domestic production ever would. National defense isn't just about having powerful equipment. It's about knowing that equipment will work when it's needed, without permission from other countries. In the end, building high-tech military technology in America isn't about isolation. It's about independence, reliability, and preparedness. If our security demands on those systems, then our future shouldn't be outsourced. And I want to thank you for watching, and remember, Scott 2028.